Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error Steam manifest unavailable on your Windows PC. If you are also facing such type of issue, then first workaround is launch your Steam app and click on your profile name and choose sign out of account and re-login your Steam account. First sign out of your account and re-login it and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to top left corner and click on Steam and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to download section. We will clear your download caches. You must clear your download caches from your Steam account. From the left side, you will find the option download. So choose download from the left side, download options, click on it, and here scroll down and you will find the option clear download caches. Click on clear caches just beside this option. Click on clear caches and confirm clear download caches. This will clear your local download caches. And wait for some time. Steam will just available for you. Automatic it will open and choose your account and check whether your Steam manifest unavailable Steam error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Steam from the top left corner and choose settings. Go to download and change your download region. From the top of the page, from the right side, you will find download region option. Simply click on download region, click on a small arrow and you will find a region. Change your download region from one to another. Choose anyone as per your convenient. And finally restart required. You must restart your Steam app and check whether your Steam manifest unavailable error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to your Windows PC, right click on it and choose settings. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to network and internet. Go to right side and here you will find the option VPN. Disable VPN. If you have added any VPN to your system, then simply disable it or remove it. And check whether your Steam manifest unavailable error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to network and internet, scroll down and choose advanced network settings. Scroll down and you will find the option network reset. Click on it and choose reset now. It will reset your network and check whether your Steam error manifest unavailable error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to control panel and temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall. In control panel, choose Windows Defender Firewall option. Here from the left side, choose turn Windows Defender on or off. And under private network, turn off Windows Defender Firewall, and under public network also turn off Windows Defender Firewall and check whether your error is your error must resolved, and after that you must turn on Windows Defender Firewall on your system.